This video demonstrates how to remove the printhead. Before removing the printhead, ensure that the printer has had plenty of time to cool, allowing the liquid ink inside the printhead to solidify. For this video, the following parts have already been removed: scanner assembly, outer covers, and the ink loader assembly. If the wiper blade is not at the bottom of its travel, perform the wiper blade alignment. Before the printhead restraints can be removed, you need to center the printhead. To center the printhead, use the funnel cap as a guide and line up the notches over the printhead reservoirs. Using a flat blade screwdriver, rotate the X-axis motor until the printhead is centered on the drum. Place several sheets of paper between the printhead and the drum. Remove the funnel cap by pressing in on the arms and lifting up. Release the jet stack cap from the pins. Next, perform the homing the printhead forward to print position adjustment. Tilt the printhead by engaging the head tilt gear and rotating the drum maintenance camshaft clockwise with a screwdriver while lifting up on the tilt gear latch. When the printhead is all the way forward, it is in the print position. Next, use needle nose pliers to move the printhead tilt spring and hook it on the notch. Disconnect the air hose from the purge pump. Pull the X-axis bias spring out and rotate it down to rest the spring in the indents. On the back side, remove one printhead restraint screw and lift the restraint out. Feed the air hose tubing to inside the printer. Remove the second printhead restraint screw on the front of the printer. Lift the restraint out. Next, remove the roll block from the printhead shaft. Handle the roll block with care because it retains heat and can be hot to the touch. Before lifting the printhead, release the wire harness retainer clip. Open the fuse box and disconnect one wire connector and release the fuse. Next, remove two screws from the ground cable. To avoid burns or damage to the printhead, do not touch the faceplate. Lift the printhead using the finger recesses and place it in the cradle notches. Remove the first ribbon cable by pressing down on the black locks. To prevent damage to the second ribbon cable, you must unlock the ZIF connector to remove the cable. Do not tilt the printhead if it is still hot in order to avoid internal damage. If replacing the printhead, you will need to transfer over the purge tubing extension to the new printhead.